Hi everyone, welcome back to Scrummy. Great to see you all back here. Today I've got another lovely one pot dish for you, and I'm going to be making a one pot chicken chow mein. A nice, quick, easy and delicious meal for you all to make. So to get started, I've heated 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in my pan. It's nice and hot now. I've prepared all my ingredients, so I'm ready to go. In here I've got 2 chicken breasts, and I've chopped the chicken breasts nice and fine. So get them onto your pan. We're going to fry these now for about 4 to 5 minutes. My chicken is ready now, just check it, cut a little piece in half, and that's done. I'm going to remove this from the pan. Great, into here I'm going to add in 2 garlic cloves, and I've chopped them nice and fine. A teaspoon of fresh ginger. I do freeze and grate my ginger, just makes it easier. You can chop it up finely either. And I've got 1 medium onion, which I've sliced finely. I'm going to cook this now for about 2 minutes. Lovely smell from that. Okay, now I'm going to add a pepper, a red pepper, and I've cut this nice and finely. I've got 2 carrots here, and I've chopped them into like matchstick size pieces. And I've got 150 grams of white cabbage, which I've chopped nice and fine too. I'm going to stir fry these now for about 2 to 3 minutes. Lovely colours. These are ready now, so I'm going to add back in the chicken. Next up it's the noodles, and I'm using 250 grams of medium egg noodles. Just break these up a little. I'm going to add in now 700 ml of hot chicken stock. Bring your pan to a simmer, and you can push your noodles down. And we're going to cook these for about 5 minutes. My noodles have started to get nice and soft now, so I'm going to make up the sauce. In here I have a teaspoon of honey, and I'm going to add in some corn flour. I've dissolved 2 teaspoons of corn flour in 2 tablespoons of water. Get it in there. I have a teaspoon of sesame oil, 4 tablespoons of light soy sauce, and I've got a tablespoon of oyster sauce as well. Mix all that together and add it to your pan. Give it a good stir. And we're going to cook this for another 2 to 3 minutes. My chicken chow mein is fully cooked now. The sauce has thickened nicely. You can see there's no liquid left in there. Smells beautiful. Going to add some salt and pepper now. Give it a stir. That's perfect. Now for the taste test. Lovely. The flavours in there are beautiful, and the noodles are cooked perfectly. One thing I'm going to add is some chopped spring onion. It'll look lovely on top of it, and it just finishes the dish off beautiful. This is a really nice dish. You can see it only took me about 20 minutes to make this. Of course, if you want and you'd prefer not to do your noodles in the pan as a one pot, you could always cook them separately and just follow all the other steps and just add your noodles in when they're cooked and then add your sauce. I know some people like to do it like that as well. There you have it everyone, my chicken chow mein, a beautiful recipe, lots of flavour in there, very healthy, and it'll save you a little bit of money in the takeaway too, and you can make this in 20 minutes. So try it out. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Let me know in the comments what you think of it. Happy baking everyone, and enjoy. See you soon.